Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Alright guys, might be a little difficult to hear me. I've got the fan going behind me, and I'll just tell you why. Because I broke off the clip here for the glove box because silly me, this is just the glove box out of the Silvia. Silvia's sitting there looking all nice. Yeah, so what I'm doing here, and the reason I got the fan going, is because I'm going to be doing some plastic welding, or I'm going to be trying to anyway. Now I've never really seen anyone else do this, so I'm just giving it a go. I've done it a little bit before, here and there. I'm just using a soldering iron, and I'm just basically gonna try and get that back together. So let's get to it, I guess. I'll probably just try and do it with one hand to begin with. Where is it? It's very toxic, so that's why I've got the fan going. Yeah, here we go. Basically, just want to get it heated up. So, try and make this kind of neat. Not that anyone will ever really see it, but that should have got it kind of tacked on now. So now that it's tacked on, I'll try and come at it from the back here. No, actually, this is a bit different because I'm actually doing this looking through the camera. Oh, okay, it's very toxic, so let's slow it down there a bit. Anyway, try and just, don't breathe in that. Yeah, don't breathe in that smoke. Oof. It's violent. That's why I got the fan going. Anyway, I'll just do a little bit more to it. Yeah, as you can see too, I've got a cordless one of these. It's running on gas. I don't know if you can see it. I can get a focus in there. Pretty cool little thing to have if you haven't got one as well. Anyway, and what I was going to say too is I came up with the idea of using a zip tie as filler for it. So I'll try and set the camera up here and show you what I mean. Well, this was actually an unplanned video, but as I was doing the other side here, it's not the greatest job, but yeah, as I was doing this side, I was like, oh, this would probably be a video people might want to see. So yeah, silly me, this one's a little tight. This one actually both sides broke off, so I had to do both sides on this one, and this one only one side snapped off, so this one's a little better. And they feel nice and strong now, so I don't want to bend them too much, they might snap again. But yeah, anyway, I stupidly got confused with the BMW's glove box, which you just kind of, when you pull it out, you just kind of like pop the bottom out, and I was pulling this out and I did the same and it broke, and I was like, oh damn, that's right, the Silvia has screws in it. My bad. Anyway, I'll end the video there. Feel free to like and share this around, or leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see some more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Take care and good night.